Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is active and you have the essentials. Log into your Alliance account and verify the account number, service address, and billing status. This prevents delays. Once done, note your current plan name, speeds in Mbps, and any early termination or contract dates so you can compare accurately. Make sure a payment method is available, card or bank info, because some changes bill immediately. Now proceed to the plan selection area in the dashboard. Next, navigate to Alliance plan options and compare the choices side by side. Use filters to focus on upload and download Mbps, monthly price, and any data caps, then contrast those against your current usage so you pick the right tier. Once you select a plan, review prorated charges and one-time fees, installation, equipment, or upgrade costs, because they affect the first bill. If necessary, choose auto pay to lock in discounts and confirm any contract or promotional term changes before moving to checkout. Finally, review the order summary carefully and confirm the start date, prorated amount, and updated billing date so there are no surprises. Once you hit confirm, you should receive an email with a service order and estimated activation window. Save that. If activation requires new equipment, schedule delivery or technician visit. If anything goes wrong, for example an error or missing charge, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and call Alliance support with your order number for fastest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.